100. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Bob?
And the low print, Carl, was almost right at the open. We bounced, drifted back down again, and now we're down about 100 points in the Dow. This is a pretty modest response considering the number of coronavirus cases has expanded rather dramatically. Not surprisingly, the China ETF down a bit here. Energy is a little bit weaker, industrials as well. Bank stocks were negative initially. They're now positive. Again, overall, this is still a pretty modest response to this news. Coronavirus, a lot of different stories. Alibaba is the one you want to watch. They did say that it's possible we could have a significant impact on China's economy and potentially affect the global economy. Ralph Lauren talked about store closures. 2/3 of their stores in China are closed. Nestle says operations have resumed, but with lower amount of operations overall. And then we saw Nu Skin. They get about 1/3 of their business in China. They talked about significant declines, 20 to 25% potential sales decline. That stock's still down about 15%. Overall, a little bit of ups and downs here. So retailers, these stocks have practically become day trading stocks. They've been up noticeably in the last couple of days, down noticeably. Some of them have significant operations in China, some do not. But again, they just seem to go up and down rather much more severely than the overall market. They've become high beta stocks. What's the impact on earnings? That's what we care about. 80% through fourth quarter earnings season. I want to comment on the first quarter, what they're looking at. You see January 2nd, we were expecting 6% increase for this first quarter. This is the quarter we're in right now. And you see how that's come steadily down in the last few weeks. Normally, you do see a small decline in earnings as we're in the middle of the season, but that decline from 4.9% to 3.8%, that's a little more aggressive than normal, and that is the impact of China. Carl, if I had to characterize it, I would say coronavirus so far has been having a discernible impact on earnings estimates for the first quarter, but not a dramatic impact. I think that's a fair characterization. Carl, back to you.